welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen. And today I thought I'd give you an option for shredded chicken. I have a crock pot recipe that I usually do every week, or at least every other week, where I get all my chicken shredded and then I use it for different applications throughout the week. And today I just wanted to show you how I use it to make some taco shredded chicken that then I can put on salads or we can put into wraps throughout the week. Super easy and simple and delish. So my skillet is heating up on medium. I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil. And add my chicken. It's pretty moist. It's already been cooked. I took it out of the crock pot. So again, we're not necessarily worried about cooking it. We're just worried about seasoning. And when I mean worry, it's not a real worry. It's just our focus. Let's say it's our focus. So I do want a little bit of that moisture to cook off, not too much, because again, dry chicken is no fun. So I also have my taco seasoning waiting here. And this is my homemade one otherwise, and I'm going to put in probably a quarter of a cup total. We're going to eyeball this. Ooh, right there, that hits you. This is why I like to leave my chicken unseasoned when I do it in the crock pot, because I can do this with a Chinese 5-spice and put this in some stir fries. I could do this with some Italian seasonings or Greek style seasonings to maybe mix it up for my salad. But again, this is a base. I wish when I was learning how to cook that I had videos like this that kind of showed me something simple, and then I could kind of create from there. So I'm trying to do that for you, or maybe give you a new idea that you haven't had before. New approach. Again, this makes quite a bit and is a wonderful thing to have in the fridge, or just to make for dinner tonight, lunch today, however you want to do that. So I am just getting this. I'm going to let this cook a little bit. It's pretty moist. If you do taco seasoning with like ground beef or ground turkey, generally you need to add a little bit of water, but since this is all ready, I'm not going to add any. Well, you know what? I think I am going to add just a touch, because I want this to kind of simmer and get those flavors in. And as I'm eyeing it, I'm going to put a little bit more seasoning. So yeah, I am just going to wait for this to simmer. And then I have got some nicely flavored shredded taco chicken for my week. Thanks for tuning into Crazy Turtle. I hope this inspires you to do other things in your kitchen. Hope to see you again soon. Take care.